Good morning, student. Here Gopal Srivastav. I am taking you biology in science subject. Student, as you know, your unit test examination will be coming soon. Upcoming soon. So, student, I think you have all known about your syllabus. In biology section, I am giving chapter number 2 and chapter number 7. Student, chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 already completed, but in UT I will give only two chapter number 2 and chapter number 7. Chapter number 2 and chapter number 7, student. Student, today I will discuss some the remains exercise of chapter number 7. So get ready to write down the question answer, and you can mark it in your textbook with the help of pencil. So get ready to start. Take the eraser, sharpener, pencil, pen, and your homework as well as your classwork copy. Okay, student, I am also taking the book for the explanation of the remains exercise of chapter number 7. Okay, student. Student, in previous classes I have completed the page number. Please open the page number 1, 2, 3. Page number 123. The section A, B, C, D already completed. The E define the following terms. These questions, this define the following terms already given in your textbook. Okay, student? So you can search, or I am giving the clue. Please mark it in your book with the help of pencil. Okay, student? So class 8 subject science, subject biology. Today's topic is exercise of chapter number 7. You know, students, chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. In this chapter we have already discussed about what is the deforestation, what is the consequences of the deforestation, what is afforestation, and what is the biosphere reserve, what is the red data book, what is the full form of WUCN, and what is the full form of the IUCN. And student, in this chapter you have already known about what is the biodiversity, what is the biodiversity, and what is the national park and sanctuaries. Okay, so today I will define about the section E. Define the following term. Define the following term. Okay. Deforestation. You can write down in your own words. Deforestation means the cutting down of the plants, large scale, on the large scale, that is called deforestation. Student, you can search this answer in the textbook also. So please open what is deforestation, page number 124. Page number 124. A large number of trees have been cut or felled. The large scale cutting of tree and clearing of forest is called deforestation. Here the answer is given beside this diagram. So you can mark it, the large scale cutting of the large scale cutting of the large scale cutting of trees and clear CLEARING clearing of forests is called deforestation. You can mark it. Okay, write down this, student. Okay, the next question is, what is biodiversity? What is biodiversity? Page number 117. Deforestation, second, biodiversity, second, biodiversity. Page number 117. Do you know? 117. Do you know? On the upper paragraph of this page, the variability of all animals, plants and microorganisms found in a particular area of an ecosystem. You can add the ecosystem or you can omit this. The particular area in is called biodiversity. Okay, this is the answer of second. And the third is endemic species. ENDEMIC endemic species. Student, endemic species given on the page number 120. Page number 180. So you can mark this. The species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a place or biota is called endemic species. The species to endemic species. Okay. And the first paragraph, the species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a place means all the biotic factors which are found in a particular area, that is called endemic species. Mark it in your book and you will write down on offline classes. red data book. Red data book. What is red data book? Page number 122. Open. Please student, open the page number 122 and so know you know. See in the green paragraph, so know you know. In the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 point. 6 number of point is the correct answer. So the book published by IUCN, presently WCU, providing all the information on the endangered species of plants and animals, is called the red data book. Also given, student please listen, 120, the red data book given in the red color, the book published by IUCN, presently WCU, providing all the information of the endangered species of plant and animals, is called red data book. The first red data book of animal was published in 1991. Through this book, IUCN, now WCU, is trying to create awareness about the endangered species. You can write down this full paragraph from the red data book to the endangered species. 120 also, or the book to endangered species. Book endangered species. Hope student you are all understood about my information. And what is the recycling? Recycling. 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 Page number 121. Open the page number 121. You can write down in your own words. So student please listen. In the recycling, what is the possibility? During the last few decades, the demand for recycling paper has increased appreciably. Why? So what is the number of one material in the solid waste stream? Means before you say plastic, look around your classroom, you can see the plastic everywhere. Before few months ago, but today's our government has banned it. Okay, So paper making use of natural renewable resources, trees, paper mills converted the wood of tree except bark of root into pulp. This pulp is then bleached into the paper. This is the type of making the new types of paper. So write down reuse of waste material again and again. Okay, again. Now I am going to rub this the other exercise again and again. Reuse of waste material again and again by undisturbed or renewable resources using 3Rs processes, that is process is called recycling. Okay, what is 3Rs means? Recover, reuse, recycling. Okay, so this is called 3Rs process. Is called means the reuse of waste material again and again by undisturbed or renewable resources using 3Rs process is called recycling. Or you can write down only two line. The reuse of waste material again and again is called recycling. Or you can use, don't write the by, or you can without disturbing, without is the I think best word in this paragraph. Without disturbing, disturbing, disturbing. Write down neat and clean. Our renewable resources. Renewable resources means our forest and renewable resources which not reverse again and again. Once they are in, so they are in. So this is called renewable resources. Now student, let us start the HOTS. Listen, HOTS. Student, I am giving the explanation of the question number first. Why do acne and pimp? Sorry, this is the not the chapter. Okay. What is the difference between national park and zoo? Student, national park generally that area which is protected and killing the animals and plants both. that is area is called a national park. Okay, and zoo, this is the man-made area where we can save the different kinds of the animals. Okay, and second, how do recycling of paper conserve our natural resources? You know, student, our paper generally made up by the trees, except the roots and the bark of the tree. So they use the pulp of the trees and using bleaching powder to make the paper. So recycling of paper again and again, recycling of paper again and again. So don't burn it, don't lit it, and use this paper again and again. This is conserve your trees, your environment. So by this we can reserve our renewable resources. Let us assume you cut 10 trees and planted 10 new sapling every month. Do you think the number of trees in the forest remain uncleared, unchanged? Means their balance of cutting and sapling the new trees? No, student. The number of trees in the forest remain unchanged. No, this will be changed because we planted 10 trees